How was the hotel?
It was awful. We had to switch rooms a couple of times.
Why?
Well, we found bugs in the carpet in one room. We had already unpacked, so we had to repack everything and ask for another room.
What was wrong with the second room?
We paid for a garden room, and it was a view of the parking lot.
That's terrible. Did you finally get a good room?
They were out of garden view rooms, so they upgraded us to an ocean view room.
That's nice. So why was it so awful?
Our next-door neighbor snored so loudly, he kept us awake every night.
Did you ask for another room?
Yes, but they said that there were no more rooms available.
I'm sorry you had a terrible time.
That's okay. The manager was really nice about it. He offered us a free stay next time.
Are you going to go back there?
Of course. It'll be free.